Proof that red flag laws are being abused in Florida, and the Democrats are gloating about it. What do I mean? Stick by and check this out. Dave Aronberg is the state attorney for Palm Beach County, Florida. Now, last month he went on MSNBC. Yeah, I know, very, very left-leaning. But he made this claim right here.
The state of Florida did lead the way in passing a red flag law about a year and a half ago after the Parkland massacre. That law is being used by law enforcement to get a judge to take away guns from someone who's deemed to be a threat to himself or others. It's been used about 2,500 times in the state of Florida in the past year and a half. That's about 5 times a day. It seems to be working, and it should be a model for the national folks if Joe's buddy, the Senate Majority Leader, would ever call it up for a vote.
That's right, you heard him. 2,500 times Florida has utilized the red flag bill, and that, like I said, was last month. Now, the red flag law went into effect in March of 2018, and by his numbers, like he said, 5 times a day. Now, I actually did a little digging, and I found a place called PolitiFact, and this place, I don't know, they just investigate political claims, I guess. But regardless, they verified, based off of court records, that these numbers are, in fact, 100% accurate, and they said that it would never be abused. Now, the court data is based off of every time that a judge actually issues an extreme risk protection order. It doesn't say how many weren't issued, but like I've said in numerous videos, in my experience, no judge wants to be that guy or that gal who said no and have that person turn out to do something horrible. So pretty much everyone is going to be issued. Now, remember, they violate all kinds of due process, constitutional rights, under the Bill of Rights. All kinds of amendments are violated. It is the biggest atrocity we've ever seen regarding the Second Amendment in America. It's a complete end around the U.S. Constitution. Takes it out of play totally because of feelings. Now, I did a little more digging and found by county, those counties that are using or issuing the most amount of red flag laws, or extreme risk protection orders, to be correct. Polk County, 378 issued. Pinellas County, 350 have been issued. Broward County, 327. Volusia County, 173. And Miami-Dade came in at 127 ERPOs issued. I also saw that of the 2,500 cases we're talking about, approximately 25% of them paralleled a criminal case, which means somebody did something criminal, and as a result, they were red flagged and their guns were seized pending Florida's version of due process for red flag and the outcome of their criminal case. And that comes out to about 625. Okay, but that means 75% of those cases in Florida were not criminal related. That's 1,875 people whose rights were violated by the state of Florida because of feelings. And that is the problem with red flags. They're arbitrary. Nobody has any clue of what they really are, meaning the people who are pushing them, except a couple who really know what they're doing. And it's just crossing the country like wildfire. 15 states, including the District of Columbia, have already accepted and passed the red flag, and numerous states are trying to force it upon their people now. It is imperative, ladies and gentlemen, that you stay up to date and informed about red flags and extreme risk protection orders and how dangerous they are. It is imperative that you tell members of your family who are eligible to vote, and actually do vote, because it's going to come down to us stopping this. We have to educate more people. We have to let our elected officials know that we will hold them accountable, and we have to stop red flag laws. Let's not forget that one person in Maryland lost his life because of a red flag law. Red flag laws are illegal. Nothing about them is legal. They should never be passed. They should never even be contemplated. And if you're a member of law enforcement and you're watching this, they should never be served. Pass this along. That's the only way we get the word out, is with your help. Please subscribe to this channel. Your subscription helps me keep going. Without you, I am not doing this anymore. I can't tell you how much your comments mean. The fact that you watch this and the fact that we are growing, I mean, it's really a big kick in the pants to keep this going, and I am so grateful. Now, as a reminder, tomorrow morning at the butt crack of dawn, I'm flying out to Atlanta to be at an event with Olight. The event's going to be held at Adventure Outdoors in Smyrna, Georgia, just down the street from Glock. If anybody from Glock is watching, I'd love to come say hi tomorrow. But please join me. It's from 4 to 8 p.m. at Adventure Outdoors at the Olight event. I think they're calling it O-Day. Come say hi. Also, don't forget that you can help send coffee, gourmet coffee, really good stuff, to the troops. All we need to do is buy some coffee at Blackout during the next week and a half here, and for every 3 bags total sold, they will send 1 to the troops. Doesn't have to be 3 by 1 person. Great chance to help our troops. Please consider doing that and spread that amongst your friends too. Till we see each other again, this is JR from Guns and Gadgets. Be safe, stay vigilant, and carry a weapon. Take care, everybody, and hope to see some of you all in Atlanta tomorrow. Have a great one.